Hi friends, today we are going to learn the Arduino software installation process or the installation steps. So before going to the installation process, if you have not subscribed our channel Wisdom Materials, please subscribe friends. Okay, now we will go into the Arduino installation steps. Okay, so first there are totally two steps were there for the Arduino software installation. One is you have to download the Arduino IDE from the website, that is https arduino.cc. this is the URL that you have to follow, and this is a free software, you can download it. So after downloading of this software, you have to double click on it to getting successfully installed into your system. Okay, so you have to double click it. So here you have to press yes, and here you have to press agree, and here you have to press next, and here you have to press see here, before installing you can place the software, or you can install the software in whatever the location you want. Also, this is the default location. If you want to change the location of the Arduino installation also, you can do it. So I'm choosing the default path. If you are interested, you can choose some other path. Okay, so at final I'm just going to press install. So basically this Arduino is a board. Okay, so this board is connected to the system, that may be the desktop or laptop, using the data cable. Okay, so this board is connected to the system, and by using the system you are going to write the code, and you are going to dump the code onto the Arduino board, and this Arduino is used for developing of the IoT applications. Okay friends, and this installation will be taking 1 or 2 minutes, and till now then we have to wait. After completing of this Arduino installation process, you will be getting one desktop icon. You can click it and you can write your own custom code, and you can dump the code onto the Arduino board using the laptop or the desktop. Okay, and meanwhile, see this Arduino board, this Arduino is a board which is connected to the system. No, this system is means this Arduino system board is connected to the laptop or desktop using the data cable. So when we are installing, it will ask us for the whether you have connected the cable or not. If you have not connected the cable, you have to press not connected, or if you have connected the cable and the Arduino to the laptop or your desktop, you have to press install the software. Otherwise, after installation of the software also, you can attach the cable to the system with to Arduino. Okay, it will take 1 or 2 minutes more friends. See friends, it is asking whether you have connected the Arduino to your laptop or desktop using cable. So I have not connected the Arduino board to this laptop, so I am pressing don't install now. Again you have to press don't install now only. Why? Because again it is checking whether you have connected the cable or not. Don't install. So now this Arduino setup has been completed. In the sense, we have successfully installed this Arduino software. Okay, this Arduino software is nothing but the Arduino IDE. Okay, IDE means integrated development environment. Okay, so with this we have completed the installation of Arduino software. We have again I want to tell one more thing. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it.